East Coast kid, nigga, back with it. On that serious, John. You know how I do. It's for you. Call yourself God. You about to get it. Nigga, no niggas gonna know. No niggas gonna see. Your little niggas don't know. But you niggas will see. You little niggas don't know. You little niggas gon' see. You little niggas don't know. East Coast kid, God. Come on, son, why you try so hard? You really try to defeat me. Try to raise me from the dungeon, son, when I was asleep. Come on, dawg, I thought I was supposed to be rest for eternity. Come on, dawg, with you, when you play me, young. What's going on, son, with you? Come around them shells and hit you. Yeah, trying to strike me with lightning. Come on, son. Now I'm in the rain. Should I be frightened? I can't, young, cause I'm feeling the pain in my heart. Come on, son. I'm stressed every day, son. And you is really why it stopped to be like this. Cause you got me stabbed, dog, in my waist. Come on, son. Now I should've cut a nigga brains like he slicing his wrist. Come on, son, but I'm nice, son. That's why I don't do this. I'm cool, shoot, jump with it. Don't forget it, nigga. No niggas don't know, but you niggas will see. No niggas don't know, but them niggas will see. No niggas don't know, but you niggas will see. No niggas don't know. Damn, yo. Look what God did to me, man. Yeah, nigga, I said it. Look what you did to me, you faggot. Come on, dog. Look at my sister's son, man. She took her shit and bagged it. Because the game got so trash that day, kid. She got set up. Look at son, look at how we just met up. You said dap, son, and I was going to give her a hug. But she didn't accept this, son. Like she pushing me with a strong shove. Come on, dog. I don't know what's going on, son, with the golden glove. Come on, son, I wanna hold it, son, cause I still got love. But what's the point? It's what you did to us. Got this family separating, son, and we just aim to just bust at each other, son, like it's a must. Retaliation, revenge. Come on, son, throw the towel, son. Time you wasting, son, so time in the jail to spend. Come on, dog, you see me, dog, trying to be a gentleman to the women. To take my money to spend it. You already know, son, look at me behind my back and stop the grinning. That's just what you call pretending like what you do. Bitch made boy, you already know, call yourself God, son, like your name sound like it's full of joy, but it's not, son, it's so annoying. Should we be sure you already know, trashed out and this burned away. You should be down here, son, hell on earth, boy, if you don't play. Come on, son, but you too scared, boy. Piece of bright light, suck ass nigga. Come on, son, you wanna fight? Come on, son, you mean you might? Come on, dog, do it. You wanna strike, use a weapon? Come on, son, come on, young, like shooting. Do what you do, son. You already see what it be, son. I'm the pistol in the game, I'm from the dead. What about you, kid? You ain't nothing, you looking so stupid. You're in your mind, son. Read your Bible, son, cause you don't know yourself, you clueless. Come on, dog, you gotta recognize it, dog. Look at your shoes, kid, you ain't got none. Dumbass nigga, you already know, son. Yeah, you know niggas don't know, but you niggas will see. You know niggas don't know, but you niggas will see. You know niggas don't know, but you niggas will see. You know niggas don't know, but you niggas will see. Call me Mr. Cripple Man now. I'm handicapped now. But with my disability, son, I ain't no clown. Cause I'm about to get you some when I did some back and then shut them down. Pistol in this game, son. I'm spitting out hot sounds like hot rounds. Dumb clowns on my spot. You ever see what God? Come on, dog. Do nothing but talk a lot. Come on, son. You turn me into a monster like I'm being transformed. You ever see it with a beast, son? With your man's right there, son. Striking me with them stones that you striking with. Come on, son, I'm liking this. Now I'm in the hood, boy, trying to do what I do. I got that music game, son, cause that's my only tool that I use to get you back. Cause I can't grab guns, son, you scared of that. Come on, son, the pistol. No, son, that heart of black. Come on, dog. Good people like me, I always say that they the deceased or even up in this game can't live no peace, can't get respect, none like that. Be homeless in the streets, go ahead, dog. Treat me like a rat, like I'm dirty, boy. Yo, dog, you ain't scared to scratch my back, cause I got a strong itch. You already know, like my trigger finger, son. When I got to pull clips, you already know, gotta pull this, like pulling new scripts at your lip. Cause you already know you fucking around with a pistol, son. So I'm gonna get cripped. Come on, dog, bank him up quick. No pistol in this game, some bitches. I told you to listen, son, cause now you about to see who I be for really. Cause you don't know who you playing with, son, and you feeling. Come on, dog, you hurt your feelings, and you know I love to do all that. Cause you think it's a game, boy. Cause when I say it like it's whack, nigga, I ain't gonna take none back. What I say is I'm staying here for real, boy. Yeah, like a mouse trap, nigga, that you get caught in, get snapped. Yeah, nigga, I heard you screaming like a bitch. Now you feel pain. Now you just understand how everybody else feels, son. There ain't no game. Come on, son. I feel this, son. Like all in my veins. Come on, sound like a needle. Like I'm getting addicted to it. Come on, son. Get addicted to this music, son, cause I need it, son. Yeah, nigga. Pistol. The niggas don't know. But you niggas will see. The little niggas don't know. But you niggas will see. The little niggas don't know. But you niggas will see. The little niggas don't know. Hey yo, this is who I am now. Flipped around, coming calling them out the ground like an insect or beast. That's what they call me a bat. Back in the day, nah, this is now. Present days, nigga. Where I don't play around it. The devil's playground, cause that's what I'm standing on now. Come on, son, with the God that. Come on, son, too hard to do that. Come on, son, people say you a perfect maid. You ever know we your perfect lady. All I see in this life today is number of mistakes that you made. Come on, dog, and I'm one of them, boy. That you grew up out this place. Come on, dog, let's hook it out of my face. You got all these haters really hating on me. What happened to tell where the people used to love the boy, son? Really used to treat me like it was silly. And they used to geek along with it. Then they geeking at me, son. Like they trying to tease me like they wanna bully me. But when a pistol pulling out the triggers, boy, I'm really pulling out something, y'all. Make them all leak. Then they looking all stupid now. Come on, dog. Now you about to get deleted. Come on, dog. You repeat it like you just speaking. Come on, dog. But I'm done talking, son. And I'm about to start speaking something. Now I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I ain't got no friends. I ain't got no enemies or fake motherfuckers that pretend to be G's. Come on, son. I'm sick of that, son. Sick of giving away all this money. Young like I got plenty. For everybody in this world, nigga, you should be feeding them, son. They looking up to me like I'm God. Come on, son, what the fuck you saying? Something I like this hard, boy. My life niggas don't know. Little niggas will see. You little niggas don't know. Little niggas will see. You little niggas don't know. Little niggas will see. You little niggas don't know. This is how it is, man. Flame it up, nigga. This is my life. Damn, dog, look at Jesus Christ. He died on the cross for our sins. Got like the bars, but he never took a win till we all this far. You ever see, cause when that death give us all that same phone call that same day. From my dog, my nigga Mace already took a lead. You already know, son, my nigga Ace already got played. Yeah, with a knee on his face, he got really addicted. Somebody played him, got him sucked out, young, like he really picked with it. And then my nigga Young Villain, come on, son, people really got that feeling. Come on, son, really hurt him, dog. Yeah, like it hurt my feelings when they do this. Got his blood spilling, really toss him in the lake. Come on, dog. Then they was playing on the game raw, son, so they got the demon pistol in my face. Come on, son, I ain't the one to play with. I lost soldiers, I lost my loved ones. You already know, son, so now ain't no love, son. It ain't no boy, let's shoot guns at anyone, son. It ain't no game to play with. The pistol in this game, son. Filling the bricks, really hard like this. I'm hardest with it. Come on, son, my heart facing them. Yeah, I'm heartless. This is why I'm at what I am, son. And I love the darkness. I hate the sunlight. It's just so damn bright. But them little niggas on my motherfucking sight. Come on, son, talking about they wanna fight. This because they know they can't have their way. They want my life. Do what you gonna do, little nigga. I'm here to rap all day. These little niggas don't know. You little niggas receive. You little niggas don't know. You little niggas receive. You little niggas don't know. You little niggas receive. You little niggas don't know. Damn, yo, little niggas will see. Look at him. Look at the good man walking away with the cross. Crucified that day, son. Damn, man, another fucking loss. Now I feel the same, young. Like I already got scarred. Come on, young. I got really touched literally, young. Fuck God. Come on, dog, young. You know the way I used to be. The streets really rapping it. Throwing bees up. Fuck them seeds, nigga. They got wet up quick. Come on, son. You already know something from the day I got wet up quick. I got right up, young. No time wasted, son. Then my mind got sick. So gangster, son. Choke me. Now look at me, young. They really treat me like I'm dog. You see like the diamonds that still did shining. Now they you whining. So they hate the fact I'm still living and breathing. Yeah, still grinding. Trying to do what I gotta do, son. Cause I'm about surviving while y'all still whining. Come on, dog. Behind you, yeah, you're comparing, John. Look at you, John. I really sucker made like babies. Come on, dog. You already know the game is crazy. You know how I get down the block. Freestyle unit is my only thing, son, that made me feel like I'm on top. I'm on top of the rock, on top of the block. Anything you just running shit. You already know the pistol in the game, son. They hate the way the pistol is doing this. Yeah, 10 the game up this year, 2017. And the next after that, you already see what you're texting me back. You already know the game is so whack. Give it to the jack. Pistol in the game, son. You little niggas don't know. You little niggas will see. You little niggas don't know. You little niggas will see. You little niggas don't know. We'll see. You little niggas don't know. East Coast Kid, you little niggas don't see. Freestyle Unit Records.